Earnings season in full swing, and with some time until the opening bell, let's check in on a few of those earnings reporters. Let's kick it off here with IBM. Good quarter from IBM. I've been very critical of IBM the past 2 years in terms of execution, but this quarter, a lot seemed to come together despite the economic slowdown, despite the effects of volatile foreign currencies on their sales and profits. You look down, you scroll through their results, they had total sales up 15% constant currency. You saw double-digit growth in many parts of their business, notably, I believe it was consulting. That was good. The Red Hat business, those sales were up constant currency. Look, there's a good quarter from IBM. Came out and reiterated their free cash flow guidance of $10 billion. They checked a lot of marks.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, looking at Big Blue here and some of the results, 15% revenue growth. They include some of the sales to Kyndryl as well. And then additionally, with the revenue mix that they're highlighting here, 70% revenue mix in software and consulting. And just going further into that consulting side of the business as well, which saw 16% growth, which is what you were talking about a moment ago. This is things like technology consulting, that was up 17% year over year. Application operations also up 17% year over year. And this business transformation consultation. So clearly there are customers that are out there that still need just advice on how their organization needs to shift in order to have this kind of digital transformation that's required to better understand their customer, but also the applications necessary just to run their business on a daily basis.
Yeah, I mean, this is what we've been hearing from enterprise software companies, right? But to your point, it's interesting that IBM is participating in this fully because it hasn't necessarily been, and we've been seeing it, we saw it across the different units, as you talked about. The dollar did take a bite out of things during the quarter, right? The company said that its gross margin was 52.7%. That did miss analyst estimates. So some of that could have been due to what was going on with the dollar. Makes sense. This is just what we're going to hear from most companies that get some of their revenue abroad. No,
it's interesting, too. This is the second very, very large multinational. You're seeing Procter & Gamble on the screen. That's what I was going to reference here. We had P&G out yesterday raising prices. Good quarter from that very large, globally exposed company. And of course, IBM is not the same as P&G, but again, another large multinational out here pushing through price increases. Sure, feeling the effects of FX, but maybe it's just that these very large multinationals have just guided expectations very well, and they're better able to handle this environment than some of the smaller companies. I've been very surprised by the quarters of both these companies.